Hello guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching me from. Welcome and welcome to my channel. My name is the Queen of 254. Guys, welcome. In case it's your first time here, please turn on that notification bell. Like, share, also comment. If you are a turning back subscriber, thank you so much and God bless you. Please tell your friend, tell another friend to subscribe to your Gary's channel. Road to, today I'm not talking guys, road to. So, today I wanna do my morning routine. Starting to make the bed, then I go on the other side to do other things. So guys, come along with me when I'm going to do my morning routine. Guys, I'm back like I've never left. So come along with me. Come along. Guys, I'm opening the window first. I'm opening the window. I don't know if that light is okay. So guys, come along. Guys, I'm already finished making the bed. As you see, my bed is ready. Now let me put this net like this. I don't want mosquito to enter in. So guys, as you see, I've already finished making my bed and I want to go to other side to do other things. My morning routine. Yes, okay. Let us start from here. Start from there. Opening my windows and the door. Guys, as you see, I'm already opening my windows and my door. Now I want to put my water. I want to boil my water for shower and then I start cooking breakfast, guys. So come along with me when I'm doing other things. So guys, love you. Guys, I wanna start with boiling shower water. So come along guys. As you see, this is my jug. This is my jug. This is my jug, guys. As you see, this is my jug. I wanna put water here so that they can boil for shower, guys. It's 2.5 liter. So guys, I'm starting to put water first. Okay, put water first. So you see. That is enough. That is enough. That is enough. Now, guys, as you see, I wanna put on. So that they can boil. Okay. So that they can boil. Now let us wait. Let us wait until they can boil, guys. Okay. You see, it's starting boil. So guys, I wanna make drinking chocolates for breakfast. Then I will see what I can take this morning before I go. Okay, come along, guys. Come along. Let us wait the water boil first so that I can take shower. Okay, come along, guys. Come along. Guys, our water is ready. Our water is ready now. Now going to shower, guys. Come along. Guys, this is my bathroom where I take shower. As you see, guys, this is my bathroom where I take shower, guys. Okay, come along. This is my shop, and here, guys, come along. So guys, let me shower. I will see you. Guys, I've already showered. As you see, my bathroom. Now I'm going to apply some oil on my body, and then I wear my clothes, guys. And then I wear my clothes, guys. I'm using this one and also this one, guys. Nivea, and also these two, and also collagen serum, guys. Nivea, and I use this one also. Come along with me when I start. You know, guys, I'll move all my clothes and I start applying oil from the face to down to the leg. So guys, see you. Guys, as you see, I'm ready. See my outfits. This is how I'm looking. As you see, guys, I was wearing this dress here. You see? This is me. Guys, okay? Now, let's go and make some breakfast, guys, okay? Come along with me. I'm going to the kitchen to make breakfast, guys. As you see here, this is my meko. This is my meko. Let me put this kitchen to be with a light, guys. Okay, this is me. I'm making breakfast, guys. Making breakfast, guys. See, boiling water, making coffee, guys, okay? Boiling water to make coffee. And now here, guys, I wanna do something. Here I have this one. I wanna make some bananas. Guys, I have avocado. I wanna make 6 bananas, guys. Six bananas is enough for me. 6 bananas is enough for me, guys. Six bananas for breakfast, guys. guys, come along. Banana with coffee, banana with drinking chocolates, not coffee, this drinking chocolate, guys, as you see. Guys, I'm here making spring onions, okay? My spring onions is ready now with tomato, with my tomato, guys, okay? Now I'm set. Boiling water, guys. Boiling water. Boiling water for coffee. Now cooking oil. I wanna cook my bananas, guys. That is enough. That is enough, guys. Now cutting my spring onions to that. Now guys, this is my sauce. I have my cube. Since I have my cube, I want to put one cube. You see? This one. Chili cube, guys. Chili cube. Guys, my tomato is ready. Now I want to put my banana. Now guys, let's wait until it's ready, okay? Let's wait until it's ready. Guys, our banana is already boiling, still boiling. Let me show you. see how it looks like. Wow. See guys how it looks like. Our banana is still boiling. You see? So guys, let us wait until it's ready. Guys, our banana is ready now. Ready to eat. Come along. Guys, our banana is ready. Here my banana, guys. Guys, our banana is here, and I have avocado, guys. Come along with me. This is my breakfast and my lunch. I come to eat in the evening because the whole day I will not in the house, guys. This is my coffee. This is my coffee. I wanna make my oh, not coffee, guys. This is chocolate. I'm sorry, guys. I wanna make my drinking chocolate, guys. I've already put the sugar inside. Now I want to put water. Guys, come with me when I'm taking my breakfast. Guys, this is Africa. Africa, normally we eat like this because I'm going the whole day. That is why I'm choosing to eat breakfast, guys. That is why I'm decided to take a heavy breakfast, guys, okay? So guys, come along. Guys, African delicious meal. Where? Guys, the food is so nice. It's so sweet. Guys, thank you so much for coming up to watch my video. Please make sure you like the video, you subscribe, you comment down below so that I know what you think about my YouTube channel or my video. And which video do you like me to put in my channel? Bye. I love you. Mwah. Welcome to my next video. Bye. I love you. Let me continue eating. My time is over. And then I go. We will talk later on the next video. Bye. I love you. Mwah. Thank you so much, guys.